right, y'all. Today we are going to be reacting to DDG, OG Parker, Rule Number One, featuring Lil Yachty. This is the audio, not the video. This is the audio only. Audio only. Audio only. All right, so y'all know DDG. I'm a big fan. I think I said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. I actually met DDG before. I met him when he did his a show in Atlanta. I think like 2 years ago in 2019. So we took a picture together and everything. So one of the greatest experience moments of my life. All right, let's get into the video. Oh, this is new song, by the way. New, just dropped. I haven't heard it. No sneak peek. No nothing. Let's get into it.
OG Parker. Young nigga rich as fuck. All these bitches be fiending to get with us. I'ma pull away Yachty to pick him up. She gon' run me some top in this Bentley truck. Come on, baby, get dressed, put your titty up. She wanna rock me all night, baby, giddy up. I just bought me a Cuban for $50. I was down on my dick, they ain't pick me up. But it.
Okay, I gotta start this over because he just going here. Oh man, look at the view. Look at that. Oh man, everything just. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's start it over because that just caught me off guard. I'm liking the flow so far. I'm liking the flow.
OG Parker. Young nigga rich as fuck. All these bitches be fiending to get with us. I'ma pull away Yachty to pick him up. She gon' run me some top in this Bentley truck. Come on, baby, get dressed, put your titty up. She wanna rock me all night, baby, giddy up. I just bought me a Cuban for $50. I was down on my dick, they ain't pick me up. But as soon as I'm rich, they gon' hit me up. If this little bitch is not thick, she can't get me up. I do not wanna hit, baby, eat me up. Your new boyfriend a bitch, he can't beat me up. Gang, we're number one of you.
Your little boyfriend can't beat me up. He can't beat me up. That's what DDG say.
You live in the hood. When you get rich, gotta move out the hood. I'm superstitious, I'm not gonna work.
Wait, what? Okay, I'm talking too much. Let me hear him spit.
Not when they hit, baby, eat me up. Your new boyfriend a bitch, he can't beat me up. Gang. We're number one if you live in the hood. When you get rich, gotta move out the hood. I'm superstitious, I'm knocking on wood. Pray for my niggas, I hope that they good. I'm in the years, I'm doing the dash. This kind of feature just pay me in cash. Get to the money, I'm getting it fast. Money come first and these bitches come last. I'm in Atlanta, I don't got no mask. I cannot fuck her, she don't got no.
Wait. He say he. Okay, I don't pause so much. I ain't gonna pause no more, y'all. I'm gonna try not to. But he just spitting bars, and I'm just catching everything. Did he say he in that? What? He in that? Did he say he in Atlanta? He don't got no.
I hope that they good. I'm in the years, I'm doing the dash. This kind of feature just pay me in cash. Get to the money, I'm getting it fast. Money come first and these bitches come last. I'm in Atlanta, I don't got no mask. I cannot fuck her, she don't got no ass. Cash in my pocket is making me sad. Out of my body, I'm smoking that gas. Rich like I'm Roddy, I geek off of Molly. I'm speeding down Holly, I'm going too fast. Fly to Bali, she had like tamale. This bitch getting naughty, she calling me dad. Stepping on shit, extra rounds in my bag.
Was that Lil Yachty?
Molly, this bitch getting naughty, she calling me dad. Stepping on shit, extra rounds in my bag. I'm on in that like the dirt on the rag. Off of that head, we ain't giving no pass. Price of carding coming in through the mask. Knew that city go to barrel was brass. Made more than your future, made more than your last. We was the ones breaking rules, showing ass. Y'all was the ones going bro, looking sad. I know what they need, 32 for the grass. They give him a cash, hit him right in his ass. Way too much money, I hope that it lasts. I finna I'ma get close, I'ma blast. I'm back, I'm sipping that goop. We yelling out whoop, make the whoop do a loop. Hit the hood, hit his hit with a new truck, same color, Cali, you shit. We're number one if you live in the hood. When you get rich, gotta move out the hood. I'm superstitious, I'm knocking on wood. Pray for my niggas, I hope that they good. I'm in the years, I'm doing the dash. This kind of feature just pay me in cash. Get to the money, I'm getting it fast. Money come first and these bitches come last. Niggas won't smoke, then we beating his ass. I don't forget about shit in the past. Lately, I feel like I've been in my bag and now all of my enemies going outside. We in a city, we taking they hoes. Whole lot of niggas be praying I fold. Just made a song and it's already gold. Matching this gated up, I cannot make it up. Soon as I'm waking up, I get to baking up. They wanna see how I'm doing it, shaping up. They wanna see the whole planet and break it up. I had gave you the sauce and you gave it up. If I do take a loss, I'ma make it up. She had showed me the pussy, I ate it up. I'ma fly out of Cuba and shape her up. She wanna get a new booty, she fake enough. We're number one.
He going crazy on this. DDG is going crazy.
If you live in the hood, when you get rich, gotta move out the hood. I'm superstitious, I'm knocking on wood. Pray for my niggas, I hope that they good. I'm in the years, I'm doing the dash. This kind of feature just pay me in cash. Get to the money, I'm getting it fast. Money come first and these bitches come last. Rule number one, if you live in the hood, when you get rich, gotta move out the hood. I'm superstitious, I'm knocking on wood. Pray for my niggas, I hope that they good. I'm in the years, I'm doing the dash. This kind of feature just pay me in cash. Get to the money, I'm getting it fast. Money come first and these bitches come last.
He really speaking facts though, because it's like everything he say, it's like he's speaking facts. Like he talking about praying for my enemies. I hope they do good. I'm knocking on wood. Money come first, these come last. He's now then he say he in Atlanta with no mask, and that one. Now that one, DDG, I can't agree with you on that one. I have my mask at all time, no, because we don't want that Rona. We don't want that Rona. But man, this here is lit. Y'all, I've been supporting DDG for some years. Let me tell you how long I've been supporting DDG. I've been supporting DDG so long that he wasn't even in college when I started supporting him and watching his videos. And he's went from a YouTuber to a rapper now. So I'm with it, DDG. I'm with it. It seems like every time he come out with a new song, I always say, this here is fire. This is lit. And I'm always like, how is he going to top this? And he manages to do it every time he comes out with a new song. I cannot wait to see the video. Guys, y'all know I'm going to react to the actual video. It's going to be more in depth and everything. The lyrics are already fire, so wait till we get the actual video. I cannot wait till he drop this video, man. I cannot wait till he drop the video to this song, Rule Number One. So if you want to see more DDG content, if you're a DDG fan, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because you know I'm coming with the DDG heat like it ain't nothing. All right, see you in the next video. Pow.